Okay, what I have here is a vape. The name is a Solo Bar. Is 10,000 puffs. It's a cool mint flavor. If you press a button, it shows you the 00 and the 90% of the battery, so it is empty. Let's open it and see what's going on. There in the bottom is the entry of the airflow. You can't change it, and there's a charging port. Okay, now we need to open this thing to see what is going on here. It's a bit of an issue to open this thing. You have to first wedge it here and then clip it. There's a clip there and a clip here and a clip there. Then it comes open. Okay, there's it. There's your button. And then that is this part here. I guess you have to open this one, then next. Okay, the outcome is I had to put this in a vise, and look how damaged this thing is here now. It's a bit of an issue to open it, but there's it's open, so the clip pieces here and there. If you want to need to open it, let's see. Here's inside. Here's a PC board, nice round, different type of lithium battery, a little bit thicker. PC board is your switch, charging port. There's some sort of material here. What is it? Maybe a filter for the air that goes in. And there's your filling if you want to fill it. So the same thing as if you want to maybe take a syringe, then you can maybe, let's just see, here's a syringe. Especially here's you can put it in here maybe, and then it will reach inside here. Then you can put your drops inside here. This is maybe a way to fill it. Then it will reach inside here. So you don't have to break it open. You can just see there is no cover, so there's no pipe, so you can just maybe put some drops in here with a syringe. Okay, there's a seal. Just turn it around. And all of them has this see how soggy this is. You can just take a cloth and clean it. Get a piece of toilet paper, get all the stuff out. That's it, and this is it. The element is there in the bottom. PC board and your vacuum device, I guess, is somewhere in here. Let's see, what is this? Now, what is this tape for here? Now, there's a entry for the air. It's just a type of filter material. Okay, now you can put it back. And then there's your, that must be in there. Then I can put this back. Yeah. Clip in. Then you can solder it in there. There's your thing back together again. Okay, that's it. There's your, don't know how the solo bar is. 10,000 is looking inside. So say it's a bit damaged now. Okay, here's my pipe. Let's make some smoke. So that's your vibe. That's my story for today. Okay, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Till next time, cheers.